there, boys and girls. It's time to make another apocalypse grill meal. And as you can see, my meat's always local. So today we're gonna do brisket on my lovely smoker. It's a Primo. I don't think it means it's any good. It's just that's what the name of it is, Primo. Anyway, I'll show you the before and after. So you might ask, what's all the fuss? You smoked before. You've had your coffee before. You started your smoker before. The fuss is this big boy, the FireBoard. I was going to open it, but I wanted to tease you for a minute. It is my new smoking apparatus to tell the temperature on whatever it is I'm cooking, because the iGrill sucked, at least for me. I haven't had good experiences with it. I already put it in its case, and there are the leads. So as much as I am excited about trying to cook the brisket, or cooking the brisket today, I'm equally as excited to try out the FireBoard for the first time. Coming back at you with the next shot. So here we are. We're hovering between 230 and 235. I don't want to get higher than 250. And oh, don't look at the Miller lights. That was just from my drip tray, just to give a little more extra moisture in there. Anyway, it's going to be time to enter the home of the brisket for the next several hours, and we'll see what it turns out after that. Oh yeah, time for you to go home for a little bit. Oh, rest. Here goes nothing. So this should take about, this is about 5.5, 6 pounds. So it should take about, oh, by the way, fat side up. Everybody has their own opinion. I like mine fat side up. Just get some of these extra dripping and droppings in there. Close this bad boy up. Time for the rest now.